Hi guys, I'm Nibby. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll go on lots of adventures together. Ooh, I wonder. How do we keep Lefay? How do we keep our teeth clean and healthy? First, we get our toothbrush and toothpaste ready. Let's wet the brush with a little water. Then we can start brushing. Just a tiny bit of toothpaste, like a pea. Now we brush the front teeth, gently in circles. And now the teeth in the back, nice and gentle. Brush the top and brush the bottom. And a little brush for our tongue, too. Now we spit. Good job, all done brushing. Can you brush your teeth with me? Look at our clean, sparkly smile. We brushed our teeth together. Bye-bye, see you next time.